Okay, we're recording. Watch our... Hey everybody, it's Lisa from The Cooking Bride. I've got my son Landon here with me today. I wanted to come by really quickly and tell y'all about something that Landon and I are going to be participating during the holiday season. First, I wanted to give you a little bit of the backstory. Landon actually has a classmate at school. Her name is Gabby. Last November, Gabby was diagnosed with a brain tumor, and she's currently been undergoing treatment at St. Jude Hospital. So we've decided during the month of December that we're going to participate in the St. Jude Baking Challenge. What that means is once a week, we are going to bake something. Actually, Landon's going to do the baking. I'm going to be doing the supervising, and we're going to be posting short videos and sharing the recipes. We would love your support in our fundraiser. I've included a link to the fundraiser on our Facebook page where we're raising money. So far, at the date of this video, we have raised $850. Our goal is $1,000. We hope that you'll help us reach that goal, and even better, maybe even help us surpass that goal. But if you're not able to make a donation, you could also help us by sharing our videos and encouraging your friends on social media to help us. We hope that you're going to enjoy the videos and the recipes that we post, and we hope that you will support us in any way that you can.